Lancet'll says, a key element of teachers' professionalism is a respectful relationship with our employer. St. Paul teachers do not feel respected at this time.
What is the next step?
Well, we now have a mandatory 2-week cooling off period. That's part of the process when a mediator has been involved. So these teachers are going to go home and try and enjoy their Christmas break. I wish them well with that. And then in the new year, the negotiating team from St. Paul will meet to decide on next steps. The authorization of a strike vote doesn't mean that it's immediately going to be.
People use it a lot. Some people never stop using it. Some people don't use it that much. All sorts of stories continue to come out about Facebook and privacy.
A report in the New York Times says Facebook has been giving tech companies special access to our data. Companies including Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix, and Spotify.
It was doing so in the least transparent way. Let's say the opposite of transparency. It wouldn't have been obvious to people even reading the privacy policy closely.
Dana Woolman is editor-in-chief for the tech site Engadget. She says, to suggest they do, adding that none of the information was shared without users' permission, but they know they have a lot of work to do to restore trust with their users. With Tech Trends, I'm Scott Goldberg, ABC News.
1:54, time to check traffic now. Brought to you by James H. Brown Injury Lawyers. When accidents happen, go to jameshbrown.com. To Global One now, here's Justin Durbin.
And a bit of a slowdown this morning for those traveling along Wake Rescue Drive and northbound at in the right lane, so as you travel on that exit ramp, use a bit of caution. You'll need to stay center left. Some volume delays to watch out for. Gateway Boulevard, fairly steady this morning as you make your way from 63rd Avenue all the way up to 82nd Avenue. As you travel from 19th Avenue all the way up to 34th, so use a little bit of caution. Expect a bit of a slowdown through here. Traffic